We're joined in by Philip from Frasertown. Philip, going by what you're seeing on your screens, are you convinced by what Commissioner Oratkar had to say?
My name is not Philip. My name is Dilip.
Right, Dilip, my apologies. Please go ahead.
Okay. See, I stay opposite to Pulakeshinagar police station. Okay. And my house is opposite to that.
Huh.
And I got to know this news which has happened recently for the poor girl, whatever the molestation, rape case, everything happened. And moreover, we people are shocked because we stay opposite to the house. Police station is there right opposite to us.
Okay.
And it is like something wherein, what is this? Police station is there right opposite to us, and in our surrounding areas, this kind of a scenario is happening, and I don't know what. I don't even have a words to tell because, see, a girl is respected as a mother. Okay. And moreover, the Delhi rape case, whatever happened, all the stuff and all, it pulled out almost for 1 year.
Yeah.
And those people were hanged to death or whatever it is. But this scenario has to come down in such a way that it has to go down to a level called as a shoot at sight order. Wherein I don't want to point out all the people's names, but let me tell you, our so-called commissioner, Shankar Bidri sir, okay, when he was there was an implementation called as a shoot at sight order, wherein he himself came down in the roads and he himself saw all the scenarios and midnight, all the stuff and all. He came down and there were fires, gunfires, everything happening on the road. But our so-called commissioner right now, who is there, why is the shoot at sight orders or whatever it is, why is not this all kind of an implementation happening?
Absolutely. There's nothing absolutely that's taking place out there. Thank you, Dilip, for calling in and sharing your views with News 9. Sridhar now joins us from KR Puram. Sridhar, we've seen this drama unfold over the last many days. What do you have to say about this incident? Also, you can express your solidarity with the parents.
Yeah, first thing I called in to, express my solidarity with the parents and, our prayers are there with the parents and the child, they'll have to get through this tough time. But but a couple of things. One is I think the school authority should not be let go easily. It's not only the couple of the guys who have committed the crime,
absolutely,
but also the school authorities for not doing the right kind of background check on the people whom they've hired, and also probably not having the right type of culture in the school, so that these kind of issues do not happen. And second thing is the protest, I guess, should not stop just with the arrest, because we've seen even with the Nirbhaya case what has happened. These things don't seem to stop. So I think capital punishment is something that has to be given to these people, and I guess it should happen immediately.
Definitely. At this point, Sridhar, I think all of us would be feeling that it should probably be more than capital punishment, even when these kind of people can go ahead and commit such heinous crimes against little children. People who are supposed to be inculcating values, educational values in these children, are going ahead and committing such barbaric crimes. There are no words that can go ahead and describe how the entire city is feeling right now. So many cases of crimes against women, but what does the society come to? What kind of a low does it stoop to when it is a little child that we're talking about, and that too soon after the incident? People, teachers out there who are supposed to be going ahead and helping the girl become a better person, who are supposed to stand by the little girl and teach her what's right and wrong, went on to cover up the entire incident. Joined in by Derek from Vivek Nagar. Derek, go ahead. What do you have to say about this incident?
Yeah, I was just looking at the news for the past couple of days, really deeply hurt, and I'm really upset. My condolences go to the parents and the child. just wanted to say that we are deeply upset by what has taken place,
Right.
and our prayers and support are always with the parents and the child.
Also,
And
what,
if you ask me,
what
sorry?
is the kind of punishment do you think should be meted out so nobody else would dare do something like this again?
I think those people should be directly hanged. They should be hanged to death. That is what will prevent these kind of things from happening in future. I'm really upset with the police and the kind of steps and measures they have taken to curb this sort of thing. And even now also they are not trying to do anything in regards to helping these people out who have been protesting for the past 2-3 days. So I really request the police to probably take appropriate action, catch the culprits, and serve justice to the people.
Definitely. Thank you, Derek, for joining, talking to News 9 and joining us with your views. But even as, of course, there's so much outrage out there, the Commissioner finally spoke up only to say a few words about how he too is shocked by this incident, that they should have faith in the police department, and that he assures them that action will be taken. This is not what the people wanted. They wanted him to go ahead and talk about the kind of measures that the police department has taken up since the incident took place. They wanted more than just words, some sort of promise that action will be taken, and that did not come their way. What has the city come to? Has it turned to this, where the people of Bengaluru have to come together for any sort of action to be taken? You too can call in, share your views with us, share your shock, your frustration, your support with the parents out there. At this point, every Bengalurian, every parent out there will be thinking twice before sending their child to school. In fact, little kids the age of 5, 6 will not even know if something wrong happened, which is why this incident took place on July 2nd. It's just about come to light. Also, of course, you can join the Black Dot campaign that we have started. SMS News9 space BD at 54999669. This is a campaign that was started off by the protesting parents at Vibgyor High. We have joined the protest and we have told them that we will help them in bringing in as much support as we can, and that's why it is almost every Bengalurian's responsibility at this point to stand up and say that no, these kind of crimes will not be tolerated. Who is safe in the city when even a little girl can fall prey to these kind of monsters? When it does this kind of atrocities end if it takes place even in a school? We're joined in over the phone lines by Arun now. Arun, go ahead. What do you have to say about what you're seeing on your screens?
So, in addition to all the points that have been mentioned by all the other parents and the viewers who've called in, there is one or two other points that I'd like to mention. I read in the paper today that, that they're looking to de-recognize Vibgyor as a school, in the whole process. I don't think, de-recognition is a way to kind of move ahead, because it doesn't solve anything. Second, it also hampers, a lot of the students who are currently associated and who are currently, studying in Vibgyor.
Absolutely.
And the second point is that, going forward, there should be standard rules and regulations, which parents can consent to. If you look at the paper, today, the Times of the paper, it mentions that, parents are asked or parents are made to sign dubious things or misleading, rules and regulations, saying that, the parents are not going to be, filing any kinds of complaint or, anything to do with, the claims being presented in an event when something kind of goes wrong and, things like that.
Right.
So,
Arun, you also, of course, stated that maybe recognition is not the way forward. What do you suggest is the punishment that the school should face as such?
See, in recognition, as far as, the punishment goes, the punishment should go to the individuals first, right? And then, the chairman of the school needs to take a blame. You cannot have the brand of Vibgyor being branded as something, which has done the entire thing wrong. I don't think it is a school as a whole. It is an individual, and this individual could have been in any place. He could have been in, today it happened to be Vibgyor, tomorrow it could have happened in some other school.
Definitely.
But doesn't necessarily mean that the institution is actually wrong. Yes. So the punishment still needs to be faced by the respective individual and the chairman as a whole, who, did not come up come out in the open or will not, reach out to their parents immediately, and, who try to have the entire thing being covered up just for the reputation of the school as a whole. But
Definitely.
it is the individual who needs to face the consequences of whatever they've done.
Right,
And,
right.
the state government and the governments need to intervene in these kind of scenarios and then have, the things that are being signed by the parents being verified or authenticated by them, saying that, okay, fine, we kind of give you a go-ahead for you to kind of go ahead and then have your, the parents of these students sign these things. Or these are the mandatory things which you as an institution need to have in your, memorandum that you're getting signed by the parents.
Definitely, Arun, we get your point. Unfortunately, the case is that the government seems to be absolutely mum on the issue. No steps being taken up by them. So it's left to all of us to go ahead and take the steps. But of course, it looks like things are very chaotic at this point, and we will have to wait and watch to see if Bengalurians will stand up together. We've got another caller now joining us. We've got Lorna joining us over the phone lines from Marthahalli. Lorna, over to you. You are a resident of Marthahalli. Seeing such an incident take place, how do you feel? Lorna, can you hear me? We will come back to Lorna, but at this point we'll slip into a short break. Do stay tuned. On the other side, we will take more of your reactions.